Hello again guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, I'll be showing you cooking our Filipino dessert, one of our very popular dessert that's served on many occasions like parties and family gatherings. On this recipe, we'll be needing condensed milk, granulated sugar, evaporated milk, of course, our main ingredients, our egg and vanilla essence. We'll just be using egg yolk on this recipe. So start taking the egg yolk from the shell and separate from egg whites. Do the same process until we finish with all the eggs. Using a whole can of condensed milk, let's pour into our egg yolk in a bowl. Make sure to scrape all the remaining milk on our can using our spatula. Followed by our granulated sugar. Evaporated milk. And our vanilla essence. Just mix all the ingredients using our egg whisk or any beater. Make sure that there's no lump remain on our mixture. Now that our mixture is ready, we'll start preparing our caramel and set aside our egg mixture. On a cooking pot, just pour in our granulated sugar. Mix thoroughly our sugar until completely dissolved and caramel in appearance. You may also add some water to quicken the process. You can see that our sugar is starting to dissolve and caramelize. Now that all the sugar is dissolved, our caramel is ready. You may turn off the flame. And pour into our mold. Just spread all the caramel on the molds so that our caramel are uniformly distributed on our leche flan. Now it's time to pour in our egg mixture to be ready for steaming. You can also bake it in an oven on the same process. Just cover it with foil so that the water will not drip on our leche flan mixture. Now start cooking. Just put it on a steamer. In a steamer pot with a boiling water, just put our Leche Flan mixture and steam for 30 to 45 minutes. Make sure that there's a cloth on our lid so that it will not drip on our Leche Flan mixture. Now, after 45 minutes, it's ready. It's best to serve to chill on a fridge for at least an hour for a good result. But at this point in time, we'll just take it out from the mold straight. Please guys, support our YouTube channel for more videos of DIY and cooking to inspire us to upload more videos in the future. Please like, subscribe, comments, and share for this recipe if you like. Enjoy this recipe, our Filipino dessert, with your family and loved ones, especially on parties like fiestas, birthday, or even family gatherings. Thank you very much and God bless to all. Happy eating! Bye-bye!